Well, you can't hang out in these houses.
Okay. Oh.
I know!
Oh, yeah. Oh, here's that other way to get in.
Yeah. Because we can see out the outside. Nobody's here. It's okay.
Nobody's here.
It's okay.
It's still really scary in here, guys.
No, it's not.
I don't know what I'm
Uncomfortable.
I don't know what I'm doing with my life.
I feel comfortable in here.
My life has gone to hell
Probably.
just because I'm up here.
Probably.
And Nick, finger me.
Yeah, well, that's your fault. It was right in my face.
That's hot.
Your finger was right up my butt.
Alright. Ready?
We're in the sky. Do you see how blue it is?
Yeah. It's so blue up here.
Why is it so blue?
Guys, look.
I'm
Look
actually
at the people.
confused.
They look like...
Should we go?
Hang down. Oh.
I don't function like that, Cole.
Don't be a baby.
Running around in a vagina.
Oh my god. You don't think I can? No.
The milk jug. Oh, never mind. You can do it.
That's actually not that hard. If I can do it, it's not that hard. No, you gotta box jump it both
I
at the
know.
same time. Oh wait, it's lower over here.
Yeah, I was like standing down here and I was like,
Wait, is it? This is like above my waist.
yeah, it is higher over there. Higher over there, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it's higher over here a little bit. Oh yeah, I can do that. I'm scared to do it like that.
I think it's like a... Oh, that looked painful.
Yeah.
It might actually not be that bad.
You're a boo boo. Yeah, this girl's here.
Just a test. Dude.
That was just a test one.
Oh, I got my nuts stuck. Alright.
Walking around though, dude.
Get up in the attic. Cross that room. It doesn't look like
Where is he?
Should I take my off? Silver truck.
Oh, he's right there. Just hanging out.
You can't hang out in these houses. Where are you from?
We're in this neighborhood.
Well, you can't hang out in these houses.
Oh. Alright.
Something happens, you know, it's a bad deal. What's that? Saw one kid running away from here, like maybe they broke something, stole something.
Really?
You know, I know how, have you ever seen these guys that come around and steal trailers and they go down there and parked it and broke the trailer open and stole all the tools out of it? I mean, there's some pretty bad shitting people around here. They broke the lock on a hitch and then they pulled it over there and tore the side off and stole all the tools out of it. You don't want to be involved with that deal, do you?
No.
That's what happens is, you know, it's kind of hard to replace $3,000 worth of tools and go back to work because you can't insure them. Anyway,
Alright.
it's no big deal. All right, you guys just take it easy.
Alright, you too.
It's acting up in here. That was hot.
Yeah, it was.
You think you like just touch it? Oh no! What? 20 tries.
Oh, I was like.